think he should come. You're calling
Jude, where'd Bacchus go?
Such a nice boy.
Where did Bacchus go? Is he under the house? Jude, you see Bacchus? Look. Look, it's Bacchus.
Where'd he go?
You see him? Is Bacchus under the house? You see Bacchus? Look. Where'd Bacchus go? Where'd he go? Look, there he is.
Do we see him? You into the house? You see him? You see him, Doodle? Hey, come on, Bacchus. Watch out, there was some poo-poo around here somewhere.
There's Bacchus.
There he is. Yay! Clap. Give your hands a clap. Give your hands a clap. Take your time on this little rock. Take your time. Take your time. This little rock. Hey, where'd you go, Bacchus? I couldn't find you. I couldn't find you. There he is. There he is. Well, there's two Frosties right there, Jude. Can you color your Frosties? Color Frosty. Stop, stop, stop. What? That's a good Frosty.
Jude, where'd Frosty go? Where'd he go? Did Frosty go bye-bye?
Where'd Frost go? You go bye-bye?
Jude, where's the octagon?
Where's the octagon? You coming up? You drawing for me? You want to draw for me? Hold it, it's heavy. Oh, geez. Color Frosty.